One of the enhancements in the File Update 2009 is called Digitize Path before or after, which means you can add new segments in the sequence of your design. And so this is for the people that like to create things. And to demonstrate it, I'm just going to first of all grab some sort of a custom shape. And so I'll use this little bird. And I'm just going to move my screen over a little bit and bring that bird over here. Now, we have a piece of artwork. Let's go ahead and convert it into an embroidery design by clicking on the standard fill tool. And now that bird is filled in. And now, if I have more than one segment, so in other words, I'm going to click on the copy tool to make two of the same bird, kind of like this. And now, the sequence of the design, so is this bird and then this bird. And technically, if you turn off the 3D viewing, you can actually see like the little dotted line that goes from wherever the end of the first bird is. So that's going to be determined by the entry and the exit points. So if I select on a shape and then I click on the shape tool, I can see where the green entry point is. So we can say to this bird, let's have it start sewing up at the top, and let's have it finish sewing down at the bottom. And then when I hit enter or apply, that will update. And then the same thing if I click on the other bird, see I'm still in shape mode. So now if I click on the entry point and the exit point and move them, I can control where they go. So that's not what this new tool is about. I was just sort of showing you how it works and queuing up to show the new tool, or the new enhancement, I guess is what it is. It's not a tool. But notice the dotted line. So it gets to the end of this bird, jump, 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 up to the end of the next bird. So here's the enhancement. If I select the second bird and then right click, it says Digitize Path. So that's what you choose when you start a new, digitizing segment. But the point is, it can either be before this bird or after. Well, after would, I guess, be the same as just creating a new segment, because that's already the end of the design. But as you know, sometimes your design has a lot of segments, and you may want to add one kind of inside of the sequence. So I'll choose before, just to demonstrate how it works. So when I click on before that bird, whatever I create next is going to land after this bird and before that bird. So I'll just click off, and now I have to choose what kind of digitizing do you want to make. So click on your digitizing tool. You have all these different options. I'll just say to create a steel stitch, and then maybe just kind of go like click, and then I'll just hold my control down to kind of create a little bit of a curvy line for you guys. And so there I made like a little smiley face with birds for eyes. But can you see the sequence of the design? How it comes off of the end of this first bird, jumps down to the little smile, and then after the smile it jumps up to the second bird. And so that's the enhancement in the fall 2019 update to allow you to create new segments inside of the sequence of your design.